Hey, what's going on guys, Techthusiast here, and this is my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And as you can see, this is the 128GB model. And on the side you can see the color that I've chosen, which is coral blue. And on the top it says Duos or Duo-S, which I'm assuming is for dual SIM, which I've actually gone for as well, as there was no additional cost. Okay, so let's get to the contents of the box. So you have a quick starter guide, warranty card and regional lock guide. Then you have the fast charger, a USB-A to USB-C adapter, a micro USB to USB-C adapter, the USB-A to USB-C data cable, AKG earphones which are included, and then you have the earbud covers in a smaller size and a slightly larger size. I'm just going to speed up the boot process as it's about 30 seconds. Okay, so let's go through the setup process. So I'm just going to skip the Wi-Fi bit for now. Now if I enable diagnostic data, I can proceed on and I'll agree to that. And next again, I can set all of that up later. So I'm just gonna select the fingerprint enrollment here as well. I usually don't, but I just want to test something out. And set up a basic PIN, so I'll also enable that option. So whenever you switch the phone on, it will ask for the password. So a basic password. Now if I put on confirm PIN without tapping OK, it'll make it more faster. So every time I put in the PIN number, I don't have to press OK. So I'm just going to get on with the fingerprint enrollment, and as you can see, the fingerprint reader is in a much convenient place now. So what I can do here is actually scroll my finger down. As you can see, it is registering much more faster. And continue for now. So I'm just going to tap it once to make sure that it's registered, and it is, as you can see here. So here are a few notification options. I'll skip that for now. And we have the usual Google services here, and I'll just continue. And then we have some of the Samsung options like the cloud, Bixby, find my phone, etc. And I'll skip all of that for now as well. Skip. And I'm not going to restore anything as I'm going to be setting it up brand new. And finish here. Okay. All done, and we are in. Once again, it is the same Samsung experience. Swipe your finger up to bring up your apps and swipe it back down to get to the desktop. I'll dismiss that notification for now, and the notification shade you can see on the top, again nothing new. So on the back you have the dual camera and the new placement of the fingerprint reader, which is way better than the Galaxy S8 and the Note 8. And I don't know why they got the Duo-S logo there. Anyway, that does it for this quick unboxing. Make sure you are subscribed to see the camera comparison, speed test and the review. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.